In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Monday.com interface to light mode when you're accessing it through Chrome. This can be an especially useful feature if you prefer a bright, clear display as opposed to the darker aesthetic some users favor. So whether you're adjusting to optimize your workflow or simply for personal comfort, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make this switch. To get started, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account using Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the right account and have all your details handy, as seamlessly transitioning starts with being prepared. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the lower left corner where you'll find your profile picture. Clicking on this will bring up a menu for further customization and control options. Now that you're in, look for the option labeled either My Profile or Settings. The terminology might vary slightly depending on updates or the version you're using, but don't worry, it's all leading to the same destination. So go ahead and click that, and you're one step closer to a brighter interface. Next, it's time to look for the theme or appearance settings, which is where all your customization options will reside. Under this category, you'll typically find your display settings neatly organized. Here you have a couple of options. Today, because we're focusing on activating light mode, you'll want to select that from the available choices. Once you've selected light mode, you'll notice that the change happens instantaneously. The interface will brighten up, providing that clean, crisp look that light themes are known for, ideal for those who prefer this appearance for its readability, especially during daytime use or in brightly lit environments. Finally, if you ever decide you miss the darker tones or just want a change of pace, remember that switching back is simply a matter of revisiting the settings we just covered. You can follow these very same steps to return to dark mode or explore whatever theme options might be available at the time. In summary, by navigating to your profile settings on the Chrome browser in the Monday.com interface and selecting light or dark mode through the theme or appearance settings, you can tailor your workspace to better fit your personal or professional needs. Enjoy your newly customized Monday.com experience.